Here at Agrivert, we specialise in cost-effective and sustainable organic waste management solutions. Over 20 years, we've developed a leading position in the UK organics treatment market. We operate in a unique portion of this market, simultaneously designing and constructing complex facilities for others, whilst building and operating our own food waste, green waste and sewage sludge recycling facilities. Our AD facilities produce enough green electricity to power 25,000 local homes and businesses each year. And our composting facilities produce enough nutrient-rich compost to fertilise 10,500 acres of farmland. This short story will concentrate on our composting facilities. We will explain the journey that Agrivert takes to convert garden and mixed food and garden waste into rich biofertilisers. Today, Agrivert works with over 30 UK local authorities, providing unrivalled food and green waste recycling solutions to both them and numerous waste collection and landscaping businesses across the UK. Agrivert have operated composting sites since 2004. During this time, our sites have recycled approximately 1.25 million tonnes of organic waste. We operate a total of 5 composting facilities in the UK and run 2 different composting methods across these sites, both successfully converting our incoming organic wastes into a number of premium-grade compost products. The first of our processes is known as open WINDROW composting. These sites recycle green waste only. They hold their waste in open-air conditions in specially formed rows known as windrows. The material is left in these windrows to compost down naturally. During this time, we use our specialist equipment to turn the material, encouraging aeration and efficient degradation. Our in-vessel composting facilities, otherwise known as IVCs, recycle a mixture of green and food waste. In the industry, this is known as commingled waste. Incoming waste is shred and blended before being loaded into the composting vessel. Our vessels are large tunnels that provide an enclosed environment in which oxygen levels, moisture and temperature can be carefully controlled and monitored. Our complex mechanical aerating systems pump air into the bottom of the tunnels. This helps naturally occurring microorganisms that are already in the waste break down the material to release the nutrients. In doing so, the temperature within the vessels is naturally increased to between 60 and 70 degrees. This temperature, combined with the amount of time we leave the material in the vessels in that heat, ensures that we kill any pathogens or weed seeds in order to meet environmental regulations for processing this material. After 2 stages of tunnel composting, we transfer the material to an open-air maturation pad for a further 4 to 6 weeks. This ensures that the material is cooled and is stable, with high quality, ready for our end markets. After screening to remove any elements of contamination that we wouldn't want to spread to land, our compost products are graded to suit their markets. Any oversized material sorted by the grading is returned to the beginning of the process to introduce structure into the tunnels. This is important to enable efficient aeration. In the main, we supply agricultural markets, helping farmers nourish and add structure to their soils. And in some cases, we supply materials back to landscaping businesses or to our local residents for their gardens. Agrivert are committed to operating in a responsible, compliant and transparent manner at all of our sites. Our compost facilities are PASS approved, which means compost we produce is classed as a high-quality product rather than a waste. Indeed, Agrivert were the first business in the UK to achieve PASS 100 standards at an IVC facility. Agrivert are very proud to build successful, efficient and best-in-class facilities. Agrivert. Environmentally, financially, and technically sustainable.